25 years in the business, man and boy, yeah. You're not gonna believe what the secret ingredient is to this beautiful chicken hot pot. From my brand new cookbook, Eat Yourself Healthy, and I'm cooking it in one of my brand new pans. This is the all-in-one Tefal ceramic pan. Let's do it. We're starting with a really economical cut of chicken, the thigh. Once you've got a bit of color on this chicken, let's just turn it over like this. We're gonna have 5 of your 5 fruit and veg a day. Carrots, we've got mushrooms, onions. I'm gonna use thyme, which I absolutely love. We've got beautiful beans and sweet corn from the freezer. It's gonna be good. Now let's think about sauce. We're gonna use 600 mils of milk and then a secret ingredient, cream and mushroom soup. In it goes with pride. Bring this to the boil now with the lid on top. Let that just tick away for 10 minutes. Then we're gonna use pre-bought gnocchi. These are gonna go in the oven now for half an hour. It's gonna give you the best potato topping ever. Look at that, absolutely delicious. You're gonna be full and happy, hot. The flavors from that are epic. Delicious, nutritious, full of the good stuff, and all cooked in one beautiful pan. Happy days.